All right, class, this is available on your Unique/News to You portal. If you choose to do Unique, when you click on the link and you sign in using your first name, it says Ms. B's class is buying souvenirs at the amusement park gift shop. And you're going to put 8 pennies in. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you'll hear a chime when you've got the right amount of pennies in. Again, this assignment is available on Google Classroom under your News to You/Unique link. It's the one where you sign in using your first name. Now, this allows you to do the exact same one, but parents, this helps our students out a little bit because it gives them something visual to track. So they can match penny for penny until they've got all their pennies filled in. Again, you can be counting as you go along. 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. When you complete these types of lessons, or you do 1 or 2 of the lessons on here, I actually have access to it and I can see that your student has completed them. All right, this one says Ms. B's class is buying souvenirs at the amusement park gift shop. How much will it cost? Count the coins. This time it's giving me a nickel. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and I want you to listen for it, 35. Once you get the correct number, there's going to be a ping. That helps the student do this activity on their own, even if they don't know how to count the coins. Here's another visual reminder of how to do this activity so that the students are getting plenty of practice. Now, each one of these will match up, and when it's all completely matched up, I will get a ding. And the ding will let the student know that, hey, you've done your job. You've done it correctly. The students like hearing it, and they like listening for it to know that they've gotten the right answer. This will go on slightly easy for quite some time, but it does pick up in how hard it gets. So now we're on to dimes. Again, this will appear in the Students Learning Portal, the Individual Learning Portal this week. And it's just a fun activity that they can work on. Got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Also notice that that matches my total down here in this box. And when I get to 80, I hear a ding and the box turns green. When it gets to a point where it's too hard for your student, you can stop. You don't have to go all the way to the end. Okay, this will go all the way up to counting dollars, counting dollars and change, rounding up to the next whole dollar. It encounters a whole lot depending on the skill level of the student. So when it exceeds your student's skill level, you can stop and do a different activity at that point. Like I said, now we're up to $1. And we're doing it with a quarter still, but we'll get to a point where we'll use dollar bills, and we'll get to a point where we'll use $5 bills, and you'll use bills and change. Each one, like I said, progressively harder as you go along. When you reach the point where your student has maxed out, you want to go ahead and stop. 25, 50, 75, $1. And then you notice that it turns green and you hear the ding.